Good evening to you all. Today, an incident happened which actually hurts me a lot. See, what happened today is I attended a seminar, a webinar, which is totally based on motivational speaking. जिसमें पूरी तरह से क्या होना था कि आपको एक वेबिनार अटेंड करना था जो मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग के ऊपर था कि कैसे आप दूसरों को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं या खुद सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड कैसे रह सकते हैं। तो जो वेबिनार था उसमें क्या हुआ कि जो स्पीकर था वो कम्प्लीटली इंग्लिश में ही बात कर रहा था। ठीक है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ही वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग इन इंग्लिश. So what happened is one of the user what he wrote is, sir, can you please explain this in Hindi because I am not getting all your points, I am not able to understand English. What he said is, if I will speak in English, sorry, if I will speak in Hindi, it will become a comedy show. I don't know what actually he mean, but I just wanted to clear out all the misconceptions according to the language. See, English and Hindi both are the different languages. It is not the parameter which decides that the English speaking guys are so called intellectuals or intelligent, or the other guy who is speaking Hindi, he is less intelligent. It is just a skill, just a language. It does not give you a certificate that you are more intellectual than a Hindi speaking guy. And I have seen so many people who speak in Hindi and they are much more influential than the English speaking guy. It is just a language. See, being skillful and being educated, both are the different two terms. The guy who is very educated does not mean that he is also very talented or very skillful. No doubt, you have to know English, you have to speak English so that it will improve to your personality or your communication skills, but that does not provide you a certificate that you are much more intelligent than a guy who does not speak Hindi. Both are the different two terms. The guy who can speak good English, maybe he cannot speak as good Hindi like me. I can speak English and I am trying my level best in Hindi too. Okay. And on the other hand, the guy who can speak very good Hindi, very pure Hindi. If he is not able to pronounce proper in English, or if he is not able to speak fluent English, that does not mean he is not well educated or he is not intelligent, he is not talented. Both are the different two terms. You know better English and the other guy he knows the better Hindi. It is just a medium of communication. And please don't forget, you live in Hindustan, you must know Hindi. Your preferred language should be Hindi, not English. I hope you guys understand. So please, if you see some guys who are speaking in Hindi, they are not as good as you in English. So please don't make their fun. Okay? Cooperate them, teach them few English words, and learn few Hindi words from them. English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. These are the just languages, a medium to communicate. Knowing different languages may add up to your skill, but that does not mean you are very intelligent. Then the guy who is beside you, he can speak only Hindi or only English. Don't hesitate to reward or to show your personality, what actually you are. Just carry a good personality with good communication skills, with a good sense of presentation. That may be in Hindi, that may be in English, that may be in Tamil, that may be in Telugu. It can be in any language, or even it can be in your own regional language. Okay, guys. So please do not defame a guy who is speaking Hindi, or do not feel hesitate. Do not hesitate to speak Hindi or whatever language you are comfortable in. See, the whole concept is कि आप कितनी आसानी से अपनी बात को सामने वाले को समझा पा रहे हैं। वो किसी भी लैंग्वेज में हो सकती है, किसी भी भाषा में हो सकती है, वो सिर्फ हिंदी में रहे या इंग्लिश में रहे, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। दिस इज जस्ट अ मेंटालिटी ऑफ पीपल्स। उन लोगों ने ऐसा सोच लिया है, उन लोगों ने ऐसा माहौल बना के रख दिया है कि जो इंग्लिश में बात करेगा वो ज़्यादा सुपीरियर होगा, ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगा। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कितने बहुत अच्छे इंग्लिश बोलने वाले लोग, कितने